eagle pose. So we're going to start off in this position with our feet fairly close, and I'm just going to start to bend my knees and just up and down, and then maybe the third time just hold it there. It's just a warm up so we get our lower body ready to get prepared to come into our eagle pose, because it's a bit of a twist. And then, so you want to hold it there. So we've warmed up the lower body. You can shake out the feet a little if it feels a bit much too. If you feel like you need to do a few rounds of those and you need to hold it down just to start to warm up the lower body. And for the upper body, we can also warm it up by bringing the arms out in front with the fingers nice and straight, and just feel like someone's pulling on your hands. You're getting that nice stretch in the arms, feeling the muscles stretch, and the stretch in the back muscles and the shoulders, and then just relax. And same thing, you can do this a few times. You're warming up your arms, your upper body, getting ready for eagle pose. All right, so let's begin. So what we're gonna do, I'll do two versions. So I'll face this way and also turn to the side so you can see how it looks from a side view as well. I'll start with wrapping my right leg over my left. So the knees are bent, right? So the booty is back a bit. You'll see it from the side view. I'm going to take my right leg and I'm going to wrap it around my left. If you can't keep your foot up in the air, you can bring it down onto the mat, and as your balance increases, you'll be able to keep the foot up. Now with our arms, I'm going to bring them out, and I'm going to take the right arm over the left. So right leg is up, right arm is up. There's also other versions where the arm would be down, but for today I'm going to show you with the right arm up and the left arm down. And you want to just hold it there. You want to squeeze in between your thighs, nice, strong lower body strength in the lower body. And I like to extend my arms, and I get that stretch in the shoulders and back, and then release. Feels really good. And just shake it out. Now I'll show you from the side. Actually, I face this side so you can see my left leg now wrapped around the right. Okay, so you bend, and so now you're in this kind of semi-squat chair pose position. And I take my left leg and I wrap it around the right, and the right leg is also bent. Okay, now my arms, and the left arm comes up and the right is underneath. If you can't join, lost my balance a bit, and that will happen, and if you do lose your balance, no worries. Just get your center again and come back to the center position. I was saying that if you can't join, touch your hands together, whatever you're able to do, okay? Something is better than nothing. And I like to stretch the arms out. So I get a pull on my back and shoulders and release. And that is eagle pose. You want to try to do it about maybe once or twice.